this is Chef David, and I'm here again to give you a recipe today on Baba Khanousj, a wonderful eggplant dip. I love eggplant. We did eggplant parmesan not too long ago, and this will go great with some of the pitas that I've recently made, and I'm real excited to show you how to make Baba Khanousj. Let's get started. So I have a nice eggplant here. I'm going to cut it in half lengthwise, and I'm not going to do anything about trimming it or anything at this point. Just going to cut it down the middle. Then I'm going to just salt it a little bit, get some of the moisture out of it. That's it. And I'm going to put this upside down like this. I'll show you that. So I have my eggplant halves, this side up, and going to pop it in the oven, maybe about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. We'll see how it goes. We want it nice and soft. So I have the oven at 500. I'm going to set it down a little bit to 450 and let that get nice and soft. I'm going to scoop it out. I have some tahini here. It's nice with lemons. I happen to have limes today, so I'm going to try it with limes, some garlic, and I'm going to have some yogurt mixed in when I'm ready to make it. So I'll show you that when it's time to scoop out the eggplant. So I can't wait till this is all roasted and we can start making our Baba Khanousj, and then we'll have that wonderful dip that I love. It's going to be a little bit different today because I am using lime, so I'm interested to see what kind of flavor that gives to it. It's kind of a substitution. I didn't have any lemon today, so we'll see what happens. Okay? So here are my eggplants that just came out of the oven. Right here. And I'm going to let them cool just a little bit because they're really, really hot right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop them out. Okay, so we're ready to assemble our Baba Khanousj. I've got my ingredients on my board. I'm going to put it into my bowl and start mixing them, and then we're going to have delicious Baba Khanousj. The first thing I'm going to do is scoop out this wonderful eggplant. It's a little toasty on the bottom there. That's good. It'll give a little bit of deliciousness. So I'm just going to bring it over to my bowl. Scoop that all out. If I get some of the skin in there, I'll get it out in a second. So I'm just scooping that. It comes out so easily. This is a good technique to use if you're making a soup out of butternut squash or something like that. That would be also very delicious. Skin. There's my skin. I'm going to just let that go there. I'm going to just do this a little bit. Okay, I've got some garlic here. That's about 3 small little cloves. Chopped up with a little salt. The juice of 1 lime. Lemon would maybe be a little better. A little tahini, which you can get at the grocery store or a international store. And I'm just going to do a quick mix of everything like this. So I'm going to add a little teeny bit of yogurt, 2 tablespoons. Oh, that's looking great. Finally, I'm going to give it a good mix with my immersion mixer. And that's pretty much it. Okay. Do a little bit of that. Gonna do a quick taste to adjust seasonings. I think that's fine. So let me get a bowl. Oh, that yogurt gives it a little bit of a cheesiness. And I'm going to put a little Zaatar on top. And there you go. My homemade Baba Khanousj. It's time to enjoy some. It's delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson where we learned how to make Baba Khanousj. And you can do it. Enjoy. Make your own Baba Khanousj. Make some pita. You'll have a great meal. Thank you. Chef David. Have a great day.